What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I have a little setup here, and I'm trying to build a 110 scale RC dyno. It can basically be used for front wheel drive, which is the car that I have, but you can also use it for rear wheel drive. It would really take nothing to get another setup like this to put here, but the thing is that I'm not a fabricator, you know. I just came to find these by luck and decided to put it together. And I put two bearings at the side for stability, and it doesn't really affect the structure of this thing because, you know, as you see, it's spinning and nothing is really being hampered. Tried this car on it and it works very well. I just have to clean this up now and spray it black because, you know, the pink is not really my style. So that will be that, guys, and I'll be using this cardboard over here to put here as the base to kind of clean it up, you know. So like, share and subscribe.